In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive versus delete in Notion. This process is essential if you're managing a lot of projects or documents and need to know the difference between archiving and deleting. Let's dive right in and make sure you understand how to manage your Notion pages effectively. First, start by heading to your connected Notion workspace. This space will be your hub for all things related to your wikis, documents, and projects. It's important to have easy access to this workspace, as it will allow you to perform all the necessary tasks, from organizing your documents to managing the life cycle of your projects. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. This ensures that you have full access to all your pages and features in Notion. If you're not automatically logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to gain access to your workspace. Upon logging in, simply navigate to Notion Home. This is your starting point, offering a comprehensive overview of all your active documents and projects. From here, click on the option to create a new page. You might be wondering why we are creating a new page. This new page will serve as your archive, a digital storage area where you can move pages that are no longer active but shouldn't be deleted permanently. Once you've created your new page, go ahead and name it Archive. Naming your pages clearly and accurately is a critical part of organization and makes it easier for you and your team members to navigate your workspace. With your new archive page set up, you can now move any pages you wish to retain but not actively display into this location. Now, let's discuss the process of deleting a page. First, locate the page you intend to delete. This could be a page that is no longer relevant, outdated, or simply one you wish to remove permanently from your workspace. Once you're on the page you wish to delete, look for the three-dot icon, typically found at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking this icon presents a drop-down menu of options. From the drop-down menu, select Move to Trash. This action places the page in Notion's trash, where it will remain for a set period before permanent deletion. Remember, any page in the trash can be restored if you change your mind. But once it's permanently deleted, it's gone for good. By understanding the distinctions between archiving and deleting, you ensure your Notion workspace stays organized and clutter-free, with essential documents filed safely and redundant pages removed entirely. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!